Hi, I'm Stephen Webster and I'd like to welcome you to 123 Knutsford Avenue in Rivervale. If you've been looking for a character cottage home, well, all you have to do is move the furniture in. This is the one for you. From its renovated bathroom, renovated kitchen, polished floorboards and its high ceilings. If you're a character lover but don't want to blow the budget, this is the house for you, and you've got plenty of room to move as well. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you enjoyed the tour of 123 Knutsford Avenue in Rivervale. As you can see from the outdoor entertaining area and the backyard, there's plenty of room to move. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.